All right, I think we're live there. Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Jason Taken, owner of Taken Law, and today we're going to talk about the 5-day notice in Illinois. But first, if you have any questions related to real estate, probate, or estate planning, there should be a link around this video. But if you go to taken-law.com, we should be able to set you up with a phone call or free consultation. So the 5-day notice. As you might imagine, we get a lot of these requests, particularly, hey, my tenant's not paying rent. What do I do next? The first thing you want to do, first of all, is communicate with them. Figure out if there is some circumstance that's driving them to not pay rent. I always advocate for communicating and realizing that there's a human on the other side of the transaction. But let's assume you've done that and there's no resolution. The next step is to fill out a form that looks like this. You can get this form at taken-law.com/5, 5-day notice, all one word, and you'll be directed to the Illinois courts form that this comes from. All of our clients use this form, and I recommend you use this form. There are variations of it, but if you're missing keywords and you go to court with it, you could run into some bad luck. So this form is pretty self-explanatory. The date, obviously, tenants, who they are. You want to include everybody who is a leaseholder or lessee on your lease agreement. The address, of course, get the address right. How much they owe. You want to include this because this will come up later. If litigation happens, you will. This will kind of be the number that you put them on notice for. You can also include your late fees if the lease has those late fees in it. Now, this is where we call it the 5-day notice. All of our clients select the 5-day block. If you want to give more for whatever reason, that's your prerogative. Then either you, your attorney, or an agent of yours can attest to all this, and then you can serve it on the defendant. As far as service, the statute does give you options. Our firm, we always have a special process server do it so we can get an affidavit back. And there's no he said, she said when we get to court. More often than not, I never saw this document. I've never seen this, whatever. So, certainly an affidavit helps. But this will start the 5-day clock. After the 5 days are up, you can determine what you want to do next. If you're going to go the eviction route and file litigation, you can certainly do that pro se, or you can call an attorney. They can give you the rundown. If it makes sense, you work with whoever that is, and you can start the process to get the money that you are owed back to you. That's it for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call, 847-301-1001, or visit taken-law.com. See ya.